My name is Nancy Parsons, and I'm leading an Introduction to Memoir Writing course. We call it Bearing Witness to Memory, and it's a 3-part course over the course of 3 weeks. I've written a couple of memoirs, and I've ghostwritten a couple of memoirs, and I've written some other books as well. But it's memoir that I really love to talk about. I like to say everything is memoir because we write about what's inside us. In week 1, we get acquainted, but I like to explain what memoir is because it's funny, but people don't always know. An autobiography is the story of a life. A memoir is a story from a life. And there's not one way to look at a memoir. So I like to show in the first session examples of memoir that other people have written, and each are different. Now in the second week, we get at the business of collecting your memories that you're going to write. The memories you have and the memories that you might not remember that you have. I call it data mining memory, where we dig in and we bring things up. In week 3, I call it the craft of memoir writing. And that's where we talk about the shape, the title, the openings, the closings, and how to put strength in your writing. You know, when you're talking about yourself and memories that have meaning for you, it very quickly becomes very personal. I've always noticed the care and respect that the writers in the group have for one another. They bond very quickly. And I'm always surprised at how much it means to people. It means different things. Sometimes it's an internal thing. You might be writing a memoir and it turns out to just be for yourself. One of the most interesting memoirs, and one that I always talk about, is 3 pages long. And what that writer accomplished in 3 pages and left behind for her family was just invaluable. When you're talking about memoir, you never know. You never know what you're writing is going to do for someone else. You never know how it's going to affect you. But I will tell you this, it will have an effect. Well, I'm looking forward to leading this course again. I'm looking forward to seeing who walks through the door and to learning their stories.